What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we'll talk about how to install two instances of your favorite applications like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Skype, Snapchat in your Android device. So no installation and no root is required for that, which is a good news. So this feature is actually inbuilt in our Android 8.0, also known as Oreo. So I will be restricting the tutorial only to Android. I can definitely assure you that this tutorial is actually going to work on your Android device. So let me grab my Samsung Android phone and I'll walk you through how you can do that. So as you can see, this is my Samsung S8 Plus. It has Android 8.0, also known as Oreo firmware. And as you can see, I do have only one icon of WhatsApp and one icon of Facebook installed over here. And when I run WhatsApp, it starts my chat. And similarly, when I run Facebook, it actually logs in with my own account. So let me show you what the current situation is. If I try to install another instance of WhatsApp or Facebook from my Play Store, it won't let me because it will tell me that it's actually installed. So there are only two options that I can do. Either I can uninstall or I can open the same app. But I cannot install another instance of the WhatsApp application. So how you can do that? It's actually very simple. So what you need to do, you actually need to go to your settings. Look for this feature called Advanced Features, click on that and scroll down. There should be a feature called Dual Messenger. This is what lets you install two separate instances of the same application. So just click on Dual Messenger. And the key to remember here is that it actually applies only to certain applications in your phone. It doesn't apply to all your applications in the phone. So as you can see, I do have WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype and Messenger listed in the list because these applications actually support two instances of the same app in the phone using this dual messenger feature. So let's click on WhatsApp and Facebook to install two second instance of the same app. And as you can see, it says you will be able to use a different account in the second app. Install second WhatsApp app, click install. Just confirm with the disclaimer, just click on the confirm button. It's actually turning on the dual messenger. Second WhatsApp has been installed, and the installation is actually from your Play Store, which is actually the genuine application store. So don't worry about the second app that has been installed. And let me try to zoom into my phone, and as you can see, the second instance of the WhatsApp actually has a symbol on the bottom right corner, which actually signifies it's a second application. It is not the first one because first one is actually already set up with my primary phone number. Similarly, I'm gonna install the second instance of the Facebook. Just click install. And second instance of the Facebook has been installed. So let's check out these applications. And as you can see, I do have two instances of WhatsApp installed in my phone. The first one is actually my primary one, and the second one, which is actually denoted by the that symbol, is actually my second instance. So let me try to open the first instance again. And as you can see, it's my primary number. And let me try to click on the second one, and it's actually asking me to set up my new account. I do not have my second number right now, but this is how you can actually set up your second account in WhatsApp. Let's try the same thing with Facebook. So let me show you what my primary instance of Facebook looks like. So as you can see, I'm actually logged in with my own profile, and if I click on the dual instance, second instance, and as you can see, it's a second instance of the Facebook app. There's one more thing that I wanted to show you. When you run the second instance, it's actually separated with the same symbol on your application as well. So whether you're running WhatsApp, whether you're running Snapchat, Facebook Messenger or anything, your second instance will be denoted by the same symbol on bottom right in the application itself. So this is how you can see that this is your second instance. And in case you are wondering how you will actually uninstall or upgrade the second instance, it's actually the same way. You just hold on to your second instance and you can just click on the uninstall button, and it will ask you to uninstall the second WhatsApp app, as you can read from this dialog box. I'm just gonna click on uninstall, and my second WhatsApp app has been uninstalled. Similarly, I can do the same for Facebook second instance, and the upgrade process for the second instance is also same. If you have auto upgrade enabled, the second instance will be upgraded automatically from your Play Store and you don't have to worry about it. And since I've actually uninstalled the second instance of WhatsApp from my phone, you can see that the WhatsApp is actually now turned off by itself automatically. So instead of uninstalling the application from the home screen, you can actually click on this button to uninstall the application from the second instance from your phone as well. So for example, if I turn Facebook off from here, you can see the phone is saying that I can disable the second instance of Facebook from here, and by clicking disable, it will actually delete everything, the data that I've set up from with the second instance from my phone. Well, this is pretty much it from this video. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you, and if it was, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing more cool videos on the same lines. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.